To properly store the Furrion FCR06DCGBA BGDC refrigerator, first you must turn off the appliance. You accomplish this by opening the refrigerator door, locate the control panel, and press the on-off button while holding for 5 seconds. The control panel LEDs will shut off and the off LED will turn on. Then the refrigerator inside light will immediately turn off. Next, empty the refrigerator and dry out the inside appliance cavities. Then leave the doors open for ventilation during the storage period. For extended storage, including winterization, the battery should be removed and properly maintained. To bring your coach out of storage, just reverse the sequence by pressing the on-off button for 5 seconds. The temperature LEDs will illuminate. Now go ahead and shut the doors and wait for the appliance to cool down. If your refrigerator doesn't cool down after 2 hours, you may need to perform a hard reset.